right now. I got MGK in the booth, he about to go in. MGK on the black clip and light this bitch up. Let's go.
Whoever would've thought that a little motherfucker from the land where they came up and made them stacks. Never was warm in the city, so I had to get on the record and come blaze these tracks. And I'm all around haters every day, but I guess that's just what famous tracks. But fuck that, where the buck's at, man, I need the green on my back's like Applejack. Matter of fact, see me in a ride so foreign you can't understand. 6 feet hitting 60s, and with the 3, so come catch me if you can. Speaking Ebonics, give a fuck what Mr. Webster said. Let a smart girl read my dictionary, I call that Miss Webster head. Man, I gotta get it when I'm gonna get it, how I gotta get it, man, whenever I'ma do, I'll keep that. Every moment I want it, cause every day I be grinding, so when you wanna make a move, I'll get there. Chip off the block, my store in the booth, taking off the lock, and put the shit back on when I'm on the top, so I got the game cuffed up like the cops. And now fuck with them, but the Eastside Jack, I got love for them. Anybody wanna hate on me, they get on my level, but you will never ever, so I got scrubs for them. Yeah, and I'm from the city where all of the good die young and the old don't make it. So we just hanging in the middle ground, ready for whatever, boy, don't mistake it. Bitch, I'm from Cleveland, bet they know what we claim. Cause we wildin' motherfuckers, EST is the game, bitch.
MGK, you killing them right now. You killing them. EST is the movement. Get with it or get lost. MGK, you ready to go in? Let's load up another one of them clips, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Whoever would've guessed that a little white boy of the Midwest would've did fucking numbers. Everybody used to talk down and the whole world wanted but fucking commerce. We the new team, EST. Line full of hoes out to the VIP. Everybody know I'm number 23 when I'm on the court ballin' MVP. Bitch, let me take a little sip of the vitamin water and a little bit of the cushy and I'm good. Chillin' up in the clouds, you wanna fuck my day up, man? I wish you would. Bitch, I'm the man, no longer the kid. Must be the reason why all these grown folks on my dick. Get off my ball sack, you're making my draw sack. Call sacks, walk up in that bitch like give me all that. I never had nothing, so what else you think a little kid with a dream gon' do? Ball without a budget like fuck it, the middle finger crew. Real people love me, the jealous try and degrade my name. Y'all must have lost your fucking melons, boy, I am the game.
Are you serious?
Shit.
You think